In this video I'm gonna show you how you can go live on Twitch on PS5. First you will need to go into the settings, here select users and accounts, scroll down until you see linked services and you should see Twitch right here. Once you click on it, then you will need to select link. It's gonna give you a QR code and a separate code here, and you will need to either scan this QR code if you're logged into your Twitch, or you can also type out the code after you scan the QR one. So after you have connected your Twitch, then what you have to do is to open up the game which you want to stream. For example, here I'm just going to open up Roblox, and once you have the game open, we're going to click on this button to the left of the touchpad, which is going to be the broadcast button. Then you will see broadcast right here in the bottom right, so you will click on it and it should show you Twitch. Once you click on Twitch, then if you have successfully linked your account, then you can begin streaming on Twitch directly from your PS5. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.